Yeah. Yeah, that's what your statistics say. Yeah. When it comes to therapy, it's kinda hit or miss for me, 'cause a lot of them talk nonsense and like to speak statistically. According to statistics, I should be criminally insane. According to them, I'm gonna be a certain way. I guess in all the data, I meet a certain range, which is strange, 'cause it's based on how I was raised. Foster home to foster home, just a kid in the system they put me in. Which is why I was in therapy to begin with. And God knows I haven't had an easy life, but I like to think I turned out just fine. If I go crazy, well then that's okay, but it won't be because of what statistics say. To all the therapists I've had over time, here's something that's gonna blow your mind. I did some research and was surprised to find your fate is actually worse than mine. According to statistics, you'll get clinically depressed. Just start dating your patients and need therapy yourself. Don't get too upset, I thought you should be aware. I'm just using your logic, just trying to be fair. You fit the criteria in every way. Yeah, that's what your statistics say. They like to quote percentages like it's the gospel truth, like everyone that's broken justifies it to be true. But does it justify them too? They put me in a box, label it as fact, but if you ask me, that isn't how a therapist should act. And then they get mad 'cause I react. But what would you do if you were told you'd be a rapist because somebody raped you? You would get offended, probably wanna smack them too. That's how I feel when they tell me I'm gonna be a certain way, all because they wanna believe what those dumb statistics say. To all the therapists I've had over time, here's a little truth that will blow your mind. But don't get upset, this is eye for an eye. You think you have me figured out, well let me give it a try. Statistically speaking, you don't always get it right. Some of you lose your way trying to guide our lives. Burned out, checked out, barely getting through, trying to fix someone else when you are broken too. Don't get too upset, I thought you should be aware. I'm just using your logic, just trying to be fair. You fit the criteria in every way. Yeah, that's what your statistics say. But go ahead and study me, write me in your notes, break me down to numbers, quotes, and anecdotes. But you'll never measure what I overcame, or put a single value on the strength it takes. But remember, you fit into a certain range. You can't say I'm wrong. That's what your statistics say. If I lose my mind, it won't be your way. It'll be on my terms, not by what your stats all say.